welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen. Today is SketchBox Day. SketchBox is a monthly art subscription box that gives you premium art supplies. So let's see what's inside. Ta-da! First up is a little card that says SketchBox School is in session. Get sketchbox.com/school, and they have instructions, basically a tutorial and an unboxing for you. I will leave this here so that I can take a look at everything that's included afterwards. This month's featured artwork, I don't know which direction it goes. There we go. Super cool looking. And then there's always information about the featured artist on the back. This one is Nicole Shaver. They were also the featured artist last month. They did 2 months in a row. And cool thing about this is this doesn't always happen like this, but there is videos by Nicole on the Sketch School, which is super cool that they did that. Also tells you how to follow him if you would like. So that is another super cool print. Next up we have a surface. This is a watercolor canvas board. Very thick canvas board, 4x8. Primed in the US, assembled in Mexico. Very cool. It's by Frederick. So hopefully there's some watercolor supplies in here. Next up, I actually grabbed 2 watercolor supplies, 2 different Daniel Smith hand-poured extra fine watercolor half pans. Very cool. This one is Henza Yellow and this one is Cascade Green. Next up, we have an Ecoline brush pen in the color reddish brown. Then we have a Faber-Castell watercolor marker. This is the color Unknown. Warm Gray 3. Very cool. Let's see what else. A paintbrush for all of these wonderful watercolor supplies. A Princeton Round Aqua Elite number 2. Another pen in here. This is a Neo Pico Line 3 Pigment Ink Waterproof Fine Liner. That's important to know. And then we have the super cool SketchBox sticker. And actually a third color Daniel Smith Extra Fine Hand Poured Watercolor Half Pen in Ultramarine Blue. So the only thing we're missing is red. Ah, bummer. I was hoping it was in there. So we did get blue, yellow, and green in the watercolors. I don't know if everybody gets different ones or if they're all the same. Would have been nice to have a red, then we could have mixed a little better, but this actually says 3 times Daniel Smith watercolor half pans retails for $9.75 each. It says we gave you a wide range of color with mixing, including Cascade Green, Ultramarine, and Henza Yellow. So yellow light LT. It looks like IT, but it's LT. So everybody did get that same color. This Faber-Castell watercolor brush pen retails for $6.50. We chose Warm Gray number 3, so everybody got that. The Ecoline, this watercolor brush pen has the same Ecoline watercolor ink that normally comes in bottles. We included reddish brown to create a landscape palette and allow for comparison with the Faber-Castell item. Very nice. And that retails for $4.25. The wonderful Princeton Aqua Elite is a staff favorite and retails for $12.75. Pull this down a little bit, sorry about that. The neoprene liner is $3.50. It is a 0.3 millimeter black. And then the watercolor canvas board is $6.50. 100% woven cotton artist canvas. So it's very nice. It's pretty heavy actually. And then it says have fun and remember to tag. Hashtag SketchBox May if you'd like to be included in our monthly contest. The winner gets their art printed on a future box lid. I'll speed up the quick little swatching for you. All of the supplies were amazing. This is watercolor paper, but unfortunately I waited too long to use the water on the watercolor paper, so you'll see that I take a second and actually apply the markers to plastic and then apply them to the watercolor paper, and that definitely helps get that desired watercolor effect. These watercolors by Daniel Smith are very vibrant, and I will be using them for years to come. Let me know what you think in the comments below, what your favorite item was, and of course, as always, thanks for watching. Using the items from the May Sketchbox, I created a journal page just in my little small journal for the month, and I did color or use the paints to color all of this, so I just wanted to show you how vibrant that was and how pretty these paints are. They are definitely going to be some of my favorites. Stay tuned for the 5th anniversary box. Today I have a very special SketchBox unboxing for us. This is the SketchBox 5-year anniversary box. This box was extra. I did pay for this one. It was $49.99 plus shipping. It's pretty heavy for a SketchBox, so let's see what's inside. Look at all that. Ooh. Okay, so first up, we might as well grab the paper so we can swatch our items in here. This is a super long book. It says SketchBox on it, so it's definitely a branded item. I like how they did the SketchBox kind of sketchy and then the word, or sketch kind of sketchy and then the word box pretty deep. It doesn't say what kind of paper it is or anything like that, so seems okay. It's kind of thin. There's a lot of pages in here. Perhaps the card will tell us. And then there is a little bookmark. So I'm just going to open a page, leave it open so we can sketch whatever it is I open, or swatch whatever it is I open. Here is the card saying what we get. I tend to forget this, so don't let me forget. Next up we have a Heritage 10-piece drawing set. Graphite charcoal pastel complete with eraser and blending stump. Wow. Complete set of quality drawing media and blending accessories, convenient metal case, perfect starter set. And it is Heritage, and then there's a little logo there if you can see that. This is Alvin. Everything that's included. So let's open her up. I love it when things come in the metal can. I tend to not use them as much, unfortunately, though, because I don't like to mix them in with other items, so they just sit there. But hopefully I can change that this year. I'm trying to use more of my supplies, use my stash type thing in 2020. So far I'm doing okay, I suppose. That's a pretty flimsy flimsy plastic, so I'm going to put it back in just so I don't rip it or anything while I'm swatching. So first up is the Graphite Monolith pencil. It's a woodless pencil. Monolith. It seems nice. It has a nice hefty weight to it. Next we have an oil charcoal pencil. very smooth. Feels pretty good. It's very dark. So that's nice. Next up, we just have a regular charcoal pencil. Definitely charcoal. And then looks like we have a soft white pastel, which you're not going to be able to see. Yeah. So there's a white pastel there. And then looks like we have a sepia. Let's see. Sanguine oil pastel. Ooh, very smooth. SANGUINE. And then we have the sepia. And this one's just a pastel. So this is definitely a nice like field kit to go out and sketch. You want a little bit of everything. Very nice, soft. Let's see what that is. Sanguine pastel stick. And then we have a black charcoal stick. Charcoal. Oops. Then we have a blending stump. So we can blend. And then, of course, a kneaded eraser. I love these. So there you have it. That is the little box. The drawing set. Next up we have a water brush, also by SketchBox Signature Water Brush. I have a million of those. Next up we have some calligraphy ink in gold. Very pretty. Some Winsor Newton ink. Just says liquid Indian ink. Let's see what color it is. I like that little dragon. This one is black. Waiting for a water or a paintbrush. If not, I'll get this one. A Le Pen permanent marker. This is an alcohol-based fine liner. I don't see a size. Le Pen. A pencil sharpener, which I have a million of those. A pen cleaner. Cool, maybe there's a pen in here. I've never actually used the pen cleaner before. Always just wiped it off. A paintbrush. A Reminisce one. I'm assuming gold. Ooh, very pretty. The sticker. Very cool. Ooh, there we go. And a pen. And I just need to find the pen nibs. Oh, just one. I'm not very good at using these, but let's try it out. If I can get the pen nib in. There we go. Wonder if it says, alright, let me, before I mess up the pen cleaner, let me find out. Okay, so the large sketchbook retails for $13. The Winsor Newton India ink is $6.99. Not waterproof, so be controlled with your layering. This does, however, allow for more adaptable approach to your artwork. It doesn't say what color I was supposed to get, so that maybe it's a random color, but I'm pretty sure that's black or gray, or yeah, just gonna assume that's black. Next, the Speedball Gold. We opted for a black and gold color scheme for this box because it's an anniversary, so it makes sense. So there's that, and then you've got the 10-piece drawing set. Oh, the Speedball is $2.62. The 10-piece drawing set, that was $23. Wow. The pen and nib, which I actually have this exact same one, only a different color apparently, is $6.13. The cleaner is $2.62. Since we're shipping multiple types of ink, we wanted to give you this wash for properly cleaning the nib. It doesn't say how to use it. Sharpener is $2.20. Gold pen is $1.49. Lay pen is $1.49. The Princeton Heritage Round Number 4, which I didn't even really look at, is a very nice one. That is $10.15. And the SketchBox Small Water Brush, which I have a million of, is $4.50. So let's swatch these inks for you. So there's the black, went on very smooth. I was able, since I whipped it off right away, to just use a paper towel. I mean, the pen cleaner would probably come in handy for somebody that's a pen artist. Unfortunately, I'm not. And I don't want to ruin it by just dipping it in there, so I have to get a separate glass probably. So let's figure out this Speedball. Oh, this is really pretty. So there you have it. That was the anniversary edition of the SketchBox, the 5th anniversary SketchBox box. Let me know in the description below what you think. And I will go ahead and get this posted for you since I have the other SketchBox before this. But if I create anything with it, I will create a separate video for you. Let me know what you think and maybe what I should create. Thanks for watching.